Yo, what's up everybody? Let me tell you, I am so pumped to be talking about something near and dear to my heart. Ohio, that's right, the Buckeye State. People always sleep on Ohio, you know? But let me tell you, this place has got it going on. From killer music history to beautiful nature, Ohio is a hidden gem. 10 essential travel tips to navigate Ohio like a pro. Whether you're into city life, outdoor adventures, or American history, Ohio's got something for everyone. So buckle up, hit subscribe, and get ready for an epic ride through the heartland of America. Chapter 1. First stop Cleveland, baby. We're talking about the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame. This ain't just a museum, it's like walking into music history. Jimi Hendrix, Elvis, the Beatles, they're all here, man. You can feel the energy vibrating off the walls. It's like stepping into a time machine, experiencing rock and roll firsthand. Chapter 2. Before we go any further, just remember to download your free ebook, which will give you the travel hacks of the pros. It's our gift to you for engaging with Out Channel. The link is in the description of the homepage. Next up, we're ditching the city for some serious natural beauty. Get ready to explore Hocking Hills State Park. Imagine towering cliffs, lush forests, waterfalls cascading into crystal clear pools. Lace up those hiking boots and hit the trails. Discover hidden caves, breathtaking overlooks, and a peace that only nature can provide. Chapter 3. All right, animal lovers, this one's for you. The Cincinnati Zoo and Botanical Garden is calling your name. From majestic lions to playful penguins, you'll encounter creatures from around the world. Vibrant flowers, exotic plants, and tranquility that'll make you forget all about city stresses. Chapter 4. Now it's time for a history lesson, Ohio style. Be amazed by the Ohio State House in Columbus. This masterpiece is a sight to behold, with its grand dome and intricate details. Walk the same halls as presidents and lawmakers, learn about the Buckeye State's past and feel the weight of democracy in action. It's a humbling experience, to say the least. Chapter 5. Hold on tight, thrill seekers, because Cedar Point Amusement Park is about to blow your mind. This is roller coaster heaven, with more twists, drops, and loops than you can handle. Cedar Point also has family-friendly rides, live entertainment, and even a water park to cool off. So gather your crew, embrace your inner child, and get ready for pure fun. Chapter 6. Ever wondered what it would be like to live a simpler life? Head on over to Amish Country and find out. Here, horse-drawn buggies share the road with cars, and time seems to move slower. Experience a different pace of life, exploring charming villages, sampling homemade Amish goods, and learning about their traditional way of life. Alright, aviation enthusiasts, this one's for you. The National Museum of the United States Air Force is a must-see. Walk beneath the wings of history, learn about the brave men and women who flew these machines, and be inspired by human ingenuity. Ready for peace and quiet? Step into the Franklin Park Conservatory and Botanical Gardens. This urban oasis is a feast for the senses, with vibrant flowers, exotic plants, and stunning glass sculptures. It's the perfect place to escape and reconnect with nature. Calling all animal lovers. The Columbus Zoo and Aquarium is ready to amaze you with its incredible collection of creatures from around the globe. Get up close and personal with gorillas, marvel at the grace of polar bears, and learn about their conservation efforts. It's a wild adventure for the whole family. Sometimes the journey is just as important as the destination. That's definitely the case with the Lake Erie Coastal Ohio Trail. This scenic drive takes you past charming towns, lighthouses perched on rugged cliffs, and beaches perfect for a relaxing stroll. It's the perfect way to end your Buckeye State adventure. There you have it, folks. 10 epic travel tips to experience Ohio like a true insider. From rock and roll history to natural wonders, amusement park thrills to cultural immersion, Ohio has something for everyone. So pack your bags, grab your camera, and discover the hidden gems of the Buckeye State. Hit that subscribe button, leave a comment, and let me know what adventures you're excited about. Till next time, America, peace out.